You are there.
That's true. I did tell you now.
Hey, guys. What do you do to my sister?
Dude, we get out of here. What you do to your sister? Which kind of nonsense don't be that one? You dey crazy.
You dey ask me, eh?
Guy, you see they ask me, what you do to your sister? You dey mad? You push me. What you want to do now? What you want to do?
Hey, push me.
What you want?
You dey mind push me?
Wetin happen? Wetin happen now? Why are they run?
Industry person.
Who you shoot?
Industry get sister.
Ken!
Industry get sister.
Oh, let me from here, they come. What happened to your sister? Please just overlook this. I'm not talking at this. They come up for this community now.
Guy,